Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really good nail hack. But first, before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Grace. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos, and if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So now I'm going to show you this hack that everyone should know. This idea is from Alexandrasgirltalk, and I thought it was really cool, so I really wanted to try it. So first I'm just applying a matte base coat. This is to prevent any damage, which is really good because when you get acrylic nails done, they drill down a lot of your natural nail, and that is so damaging. So this hack is going to keep your nails nice and healthy. Okay guys, comment your favorite show without telling me what your favorite show is. I'll go first. Hello brother. Okay, that had no sauce. Moving on, comment down below what you think that was, because it's so obvious. And look at that, they're matte now. Okay, so next you're going to need some nail tips. If you don't have any, you can cut them out of a plastic bowl. So these ones are full covered tips. There's 500 here. I don't really like them that much, so I use these as tips instead of full tips. Yeah, I just went ahead and picked out all my sizes. You don't need to size up or down, just as long as they fit perfectly from side to side. By the way, comment down below any questions. I do reply to most of my comments, but yeah, ask me anything. And thank you so much, we hit over 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't subscribed, you just might as well subscribe, because why not? And now you can just trim and shape it. I cut off the number part because that is so hard to file off. Because I don't have a nail drill, and I also went for a coffin square look, it's hard to explain. To somehow file the inside. Scraped it with my scissors because I couldn't be bothered. You don't have to do this, it'll just make it last a little longer. And then attach them to your nails. I use gel, but you can use nail glue. If you don't have either of those, you can use nail polish, but it really isn't gonna last long. But yeah, I just placed it on my nail and cured for 60 seconds. I did accidentally stick it on a bit ding dong, but you can't really tell, so it's calm. But yeah, I just repeated this for all my nails. Okay, now they're all stuck on, and now we're gonna create a paste. Gonna blend the tip to your natural nail, which is gonna make your nails look really natural. You're just gonna need some regular nail polish and mix it with a cornstarch to create a paste. where your tip and natural nail meet. It doesn't have to be neat because we're gonna file it anyways. So just put a nice layer and just let it dry for 5 minutes. So here they are after all of that is done. I'm just going to take a nail file and just file all over it. I also buffed it to smooth it out. And you won't be filing your natural nails, you'll be filing the cornstarch, which means it's nice and protected. Next, apply a thick base coat, and then you can just paint your nails. This is a side view. As you can see, it's very nice and blended. result. So cute. I'm obsessed. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye.